regular cotton sewing, cotton. If you're gonna do like a quilt, you're gonna do fleece, anything that's bulky, you do the 3 to 3.5, then it's between something like this, between 3 and 4. And the reason is because it's thick, and if your stitches are tiny, it's gonna be buried, okay? And then the stitches are gonna be too small, okay? Because what happens is the fabric is like this, when the stitches go down, it just buries inside. And you want the stitches to just go above, okay? So right now,
So the thicker the fabric, the higher the number?
and yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about different fabric like tulle or something that's a different?
Tulle is the 2.5,
2.5, okay.
2.5, 2.5, okay? Okay, so now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna do a 4. A 4 is considered like a basting stitch. I think your machine, I think it goes to 5, okay? So, I did a class that we did a pillow and has ruffles, and I wanted to do a ruffle. So I did basting stitches would be the higher number. And then I'm able to pull the threads in the back and I ruffle the fabric, okay? But the 4 is good for fleece, like I said, wool, or anything like that.
And what's basting mean?
You're gonna see
Okay.
this. Oh, you're not, let me
know
see,
that
you're not gonna, let me try your
does this
fabric.
mean?
Basting stitch mean that the stitches are bigger, okay? So they're easier. If you're gonna do basting stitch on this, I'm gonna do a number 4, okay?
4.
And you see the stitches are big between each one. I'm gonna do it even more. Okay,
Oh,
so
there we
you
go.
see how big those are?
Yeah.
Okay?
Is that a 4?
So that's a 4.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna go down to a 2, okay?
It's like weird.
Oh, you're getting much smaller.
You see how tiny they are?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will use a 2. If you're stitching like organza, something light that it's real slippery, I will use that. But sometimes I'm pretty sure you guys are not gonna do a prom dress not anytime soon, and you're not gonna, it's just hard to do slippery fabrics, okay? So what I like to do, I don't pin on slippery fabric or thin fabric. I hand base, and all
Like
you do
this?
is go in and out with a needle like that just to keep the 2 pieces together. So when you're sewing, the fabrics don't move, okay? And those real,
Is this
like that,
slippery
yeah,
fabric?
that's slippery fabric. Yep, that's it, okay? So we did this, okay,